In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Gmail for smart email replies and composing. Let's start at the very beginning by opening Gmail. You can head to google.com and select Gmail from the top right, or go directly to your inbox the way you normally do. If you're prompted to sign in, just use your usual Google account. For the smoothest experience, make sure your browser is up to date and that you're logged into the account that has access to Gemini features. Once your inbox is open, take a look toward the upper right area of the Gmail interface. You should see a Gemini option there. This is where the magic happens. A quick heads up before you click. The Gemini feature in Gmail is available only for premium Gemini users, which typically means you need an eligible subscription or workspace plan. If you don't see the Gemini button, it may be because your account doesn't include access, your organization hasn't enabled it, or the feature isn't rolled out to your region yet. Updating your browser or refreshing the page can also help if it's just not loading. Go ahead and click Gemini. A panel will open that's designed to help you move faster in your inbox. From here, you can start using it right away for things like reply suggestions, email composing, and more. If you're replying to a message, you can ask Gemini to propose a draft reply based on the conversation you're viewing. Be specific about what you want. Mention the tone you're aiming for, the key points you need to address, and any follow-up questions you want included. If you're composing a new email, tell Gemini who you're writing to and your goal for the message, like scheduling a meeting, sharing an update, or requesting information. You can also ask it to shorten a draft, make it more formal or more friendly, or create a quick summary you can refine. Think of Gemini as your jumpstart, not the final word. Always review the generated text to ensure it's accurate, complete, and appropriate for your audience. Edit names, dates, and specifics, and double-check any facts before hitting send. If the first draft isn't quite right, ask Gemini to try a different tone or to include more detail, and it will iterate with you. And that's it. You went to Gmail, click Gemini at the top right, and you're ready to accelerate your email workflow with smart replies and helpful drafts. Keep practicing with clear prompts, refine the results, and enjoy a more efficient inbox.